What's up, guys? This is Lisan from Learning Life Lessons with Lisan, and today we got another back market video. This is gonna be basically the back market channel where I buy stuff and review them. So let's make it happen. Sorry, the lighting is so bad out there. It actually snowed, so it's worse than usual. It's pretty bad always, but like now it's even worse than usual because of the reflection. But today we got the Samsung S21 5G. I don't know why they added the 5G except that it works with 5G networks. So this is off back market like usual. And I just got it today and I actually haven't opened it up. So I'm gonna be surprised. I have bought them before. I think this is through a different vendor and I'll let you know who the vendor is in a second. So I had to pull it up real quick. But the vendor is Buy Save Repeat. I literally ordered it. I think it was like, let me check. I ordered it on the 25th and then got it today. This is the 28th of November. So 3 days later, I get it. Super quick shipping. They just set it by my front door. And then I got into good condition. So Buy Save Repeat is the vendor, and then I got in good condition. I ended up spending, I think it was $275 plus like, a couple bucks in tax. So a really good deal. I always wait to see when they have the best deals because prices change every day. You want to check vendors, you want to check ratings, and you want to check, the fluctuation of the price because every day it changes. All right, no more talking. Let's get started. I just had to flip it over. I was about to open it up and then I forgot my address was on that side. So let's get it opened up. Again, I have not checked anything yet, so I'm gonna be surprised. Let's check to see if there's anything else. I think this is just the shipping label, the price and everything. Just the sticker, just to confirm. So here's the box. It actually came in a box. Lately, I haven't gotten phones in boxes. They just come in those, those bubble wrap. And I get a little worried sometimes because they can get smashed up. But when they're in boxes, it's a lot safer. So let's get this opened up. Again, it is hard to film and do an unboxing session. Let's see. All right. I'm just gonna do that. And came with a USB. So that's nice. This is actually a really, dang it, it's USB-C, but luckily it comes with the butt of the charger. So, because I don't have very many USB-C like ports except on my computer, but it came with that, so that's good. I think we'll have to find out. But Apple keeps changing all their chargers and it's super annoying. But this will work. So there's that. I forget. I'm reviewing Samsung. Dang it. I've been buying so many Apple phones. I forget this is Samsung, and they've always done USB-C. So never mind about that. Never mind. So. Alrighty. So this is the phone, guys. Let's check it out. So it's actually in super good condition. There's a couple. I don't know if that's just dust or what, but. See, yeah, I think it's just dust and a little bit of dirt, but back looks pretty good. Not bad. So this is I think I have it on my computer, so it's the Phantom Gray. I think, yeah, it's the Phantom Gray. And then this is the front. I see one little scratch right there. It's actually a little bigger than I thought. And then a couple dings down here. So it could be a lot better, but like it's okay. I mean, it's good condition. It's not excellent. So that's what we got so far. All right, so far it looks pretty good. I checked other stuff. Camera looks fine. Everything seems to be intact, which is good. Side bezels really don't have any scratches. So it looks pretty good. Let's check to make sure everything actually clicks. The actual buttons seem to be clicking, so that's good. And then I'm gonna see if I can power it on. I don't know if it's already. Yep. So it turns on. that's a good sign. Again, this is the S21. What I really like about this phone is that unlike iPhones, it has like, it takes up a full screen. Like there's just that tiny little punch hole for the camera. And then other than that, it's just screen. So we're gonna get it set up. It should take a couple seconds. And then just test out the camera, check the battery health, and just double check to make sure everything works. I was checking the dirt and stuff, and the stuff on the bottom, and it actually comes off. So this is actually just straight up dirt. See, it just kind of got stuck in between the screen and the back of the phone, so it actually comes off. So that's not gonna be a problem. It's just on the kind of the section where the screen is glued onto the back. So that'll be easy, and I think it's the same thing over here. So overall, it's a pretty clean phone. Get it started. I'm just gonna agree to the terms, agree to privacy policy, all that crap. Okay. And I guess I haven't really done this setup before. We're you gonna use Wi-Fi next. And then I'm gonna add a network. All right, guys, we gonna connect. Hopefully I put in the right password. Find out. Okay, so we are connected, and it's just updating now. All right, guys, we're in. So that's really good. Everything seems to be working. Again, this is an unlocked phone. I don't know why. Somebody can tell me if they want to, but I don't know why Samsung has a Verizon or T-Mobile app already downloaded. Maybe it's because it was connected to that carrier. But this is an unlocked phone, so it should work with any carrier. I'm gonna test the camera real quick, just to make sure, basic testing. So just taking a photo, and it works. We can view it. So it seems to work. That's good. Basic test. Let's see what else. I don't have a SIM card in there yet, but I like to check the settings. One thing I like to check is the battery health. So going down here. So battery capacity is 400 milliamp hour, which is typical, I guess. So that's good. I mean, I'm not too worried about that. Let's just make sure a video also works. All the basic tests. I don't know what that is, but let's see. So this helps me test to see if the sound works. So that works, because a lot of times, with old phones, you don't know if the sound works or if videos will play or not. Test the screen and the sound. So we got that. And then last thing, just to make a phone call, and then after that we should be good. All right, so I put my T-Mobile SIM in, and it's showing that, so it is working, so that's good. So that works, and then it's showing me my phone number. Hopefully you didn't see that. I think it's just asking me to restart it. Boom, showing the T-Mobile logo, and we should be good. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm just gonna make a call to T-Mobile. Hashtag 932 hashtag. Dang it. Okay. So this is actually tested. I don't actually have to make a call, but if this works, it says I've used 6.15 gigabytes. Okay, so that's good. So, I mean, I could call him, but I know it works. When it says that, I know it works, so that's good, because it does kind of make him a call. But yeah, overall, this is a great phone. Nothing's wrong with it. A little dirty, but I'll clean it up. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But that's my Samsung Galaxy S21 review on back market. And they sold me a good phone, so I'm happy. All right, guys, so that was the review. Thanks for watching it. If you have any questions, just Let me know in the comments section. I'll try to respond to all of them. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. I'll make more videos like this. Let me know in the recommendations like what other phones I should buy. I think I have an iPhone 12 coming up that I'll do a review on as well from Back Market. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys.